Welcome to the LabTechs. My name is Nasir and today I will tell you how to operate the BGA machine. This is the 3542 Dell motherboard, and from this I have taken out the BGA IC, as you can see, and I have revolved this. And I am going to fix it on this point. Now what you have to care at the time while you have to replace the IC, the 1 number pin must be connected on the 1 number of the pin. So since I could make it non-graphic, but in order to show you only, I will show you that how to operate the BGA machine. So I am making this video only for you. It is dedicated only for my channel lovers. So let's come and see the distance. You have to check. It must be the distance you can observe 2 to 3 centimeter should be above from the IC. It should not touch it, and you have to tight it so that it should not move. For the tightening process, you have been given in your BGA machine the left and right. This is in order to move left and right, and also this is given for the up and down. Now let's come in the setup. So this is the setup, and the default setup always in BGA machine comes 4x8. Now OK it, and through this what you can do, you can through the menu go temperature setting, and how my you can see in the BGA machine the temperature is set. However, 8 step has been given. I am using only 6 steps. So in first step, what will happen, from the temperature, from the environment temperature, it will start rising up, and it will stop at the 160 degrees Celsius for 35 seconds. And after completing the 35 seconds, it will again move forward to reach 195 degrees Celsius, and it will stop for 35 seconds. So this is basically the time diagram. On the upside, the top temperature has been given here, and the bottom temperature is also you can see the IR is set here 180 degrees Celsius, and the bottom temperature 3. This is the program. This is regarding the program. 3 is the program. I am not using the bottom temperature. The bottom is, you can see just lower down of this point, you can see here, this is the bottom temperature. I am not using here. I am using only IR. So this is the profile I have saved in my BGA machine. Now let me start up. So you can save and you can select. As you can see that it is the I have named it LabTechs, and it is saved. Also you can make the you can save it the data from here. Also you can make the different types of the profile for the different types of ICs. So you can save at least 100 profile in the same BGA machine. So in my BGA machine, I am using the very temperature setting for the each and every ICs. You need to know if the IC is revolved, then it start melting its leaded ball in 220 degrees Celsius. And if it is the lead free ball, it will start melting temperature is 240 degrees Celsius, then let it reach to the 280 degrees Celsius. So since it is the revolve, then I will use 270 to 80 degrees Celsius. As soon as it will reach to the 280 degrees Celsius, I will stop the machine. So let's come and start. This is the start button. However, start button is also given here, so either of the one you can use. So this is the start button. One thing you have to remember, if there is the hot temperature is there, low is there, mid is there. So always I prefer to use the mid, so that IC will not burn. So this is all about the temperature. Now you can see the graph. The graph is going up, and also the top temperature is rising up gradually, and it will reach up to the 160 degrees Celsius, and it will hold on for 35 seconds as I have set the setup in BGA machine. So everything is changing now. Bottom temperature, whatever was set over there, also the IR is set over here, and you have to only mind the top temperature as well as the hot mid temperature you have to select. But if you are not caring about the IC, that let it be burn or it will be uh, on the surface the bubble will come out. If you just don't want to save your IC, if you just don't want to revolve the IC, you can prefer the hot high temperature. Like if you are repairing Xbox, then you cannot remove the IC with the mid temperature. You need to select it on the high temperature. So Xbox processor is very hard to remove from the motherboard. So you would prefer hot high temperature, as well as you can use all the setup, all 8 setups. However, I am using only 6 setup in this BG machine. So every feature has been given, and if you ask about which BG machine you need to buy, so I would like to go with the Zoomao, and you can also go in you can search it on the Google, and R6 6200 is the best machine. That is the auto camera has been given over here. Since we are habitual to use this machine, and we can fix any of the IC, like even if there is a no surface marking on the motherboard, despite we are able to change it with the perfection, because we have been doing the same work for last 10 years. If you scared to replace the IC, and if you want each and everything automatically, then you can go with that model ZMR 6200. This is my BG machine, and ZMR 5830, and the above model also come R5860. that is also good one machine. But I would like to suggest you, the cost will be something hefty, so you can buy that machine also, and that would be very much professional machine. And on that machine everything is processed automatically, like it will shuck up the chip and it will fix the chip by itself, and there is the camera on the between the bottom heater and the upper heater, and it will fix each and everything automatically, so you need not to concern about that. So now you can see the temperature 250 degrees Celsius it has reached, and now it is stopped here just because it is about to complete its time. After completing the time, it will again reach to the maximum, the limit which I have set. It will reach to the target of the set in the setup, the same temperature. And one more thing I would like to mention here, this is the RAM slot, and here we have this nozzle here of this BG machine. And what is the good about this BG machine, even all types of BG machine, that this is meant by plastic, but if you try to remove it through the hot gun, so it will melt. But the advantage of this BG machine I will show you in next video, or maybe after that. I will try to remove this RAM slot with the help of this nozzle through this machine, and you will find out exact the same, it will come out. I have for your demonstration I will show you one RAM slot which I have taken out from the motherboard. That is very perfection, it will come out without melting the plastic body. So this is also a good thing, and that is the also advantage of this BG machine. So now it has reached 270 degrees Celsius, and as I told you, as soon as it will reach 280 degrees Celsius, I will put my machine off. Now let me, and one more thing is given here, the constant temperature. If I press this button, what will happen, that whole day long it will run on 280 degrees Celsius, not even much, not lower. So I will come out from the constant temperature, I will set it off. Now beep sound, if it reach at the maximum level, then automatically the same beep sound you would come that the BG machine is shut off. Now I can make it two-way. I have been given nozzle here, the suction cap is here. I can use this suction cap, but instead of using this suction cap, I rather prefer to use the tweezer, and you can make it cool from this area. Now this is the cooling area, and now even you can touch on this point, the blowing air is coming out in order to make it cool. So this is all about the BG machine. Guys, I am feeling too much hot in this place, and I am working a lot, and there is a loads of on my setup. I have to repair a lot. So despite I am taking out time in order to make the video for your perfection, so I request you to please like as much as possible, and also share the video in your groups. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Please hit the bell icon button so that you will get notification from that, because time to time we upload unique types of video, unique types of case studies. So if you have any query, if you have any question, please you can write on the comment box. So guys, if I would like to tell you one more thing, that if you have or if you have any problem in repairing practical or theory, each and everything we have combined in a course, in a video course. There you will get half knowledge of theory and half knowledge of practical. We are making daily new types of video and adding in our video courses. If you are interested to join our video course, you can contact us on the given number. So I hope that you would call us, or you can text us on the WhatsApp number, on the both number. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.